I'm Brooke Andrews, Acting U.S. Attorney for the District of South Carolina. I have here with me today local law enforcement from across South Carolina and Assistant Special Agent in Charge Mike Tooley from the Drug Enforcement Administration. We're here today to announce federal charges in a years-long investigation into one of the largest professional money laundering operations this state has ever seen, operated primarily out of Sumter, South Carolina. Here in our own backyard, the defendants in this case successfully laundered over $30 million in illegal drug proceeds. They offered their services to drug dealers across the Southeast from whom they would purchase large amounts of cash. They would then use those drug proceeds to purchase and ship electronics to destinations in China and the Middle East and use those transactions to conceal the illegal source of their funds. The defendants charged in this case include Nasir Ullah, a 28-year-old man residing in Sumter, Naim Ullah, a 32-year-old man residing in Sumter, and Paquan Wong, a 49-year-old man residing in Burford, Georgia. The court documents today, unsealed, allege that these three men, along with other co-conspirators, traveled across the United States to collect substantial amounts of cash they knew to be drug proceeds. They are further accused of coordinating with individuals in China to launder that cash through complex financial transactions designed to obscure the origin of those funds. These actions amount to the federal charge of conspiracy to commit money laundering, which comes with a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison. Money laundering is the backbone of criminal enterprise. It enables drug trafficking organizations to purchase and distribute fentanyl and other drugs to devastating effect. When we target those who launder drug money, we strike at the very heart of these operations. All of the agencies represented here today serve different communities in South Carolina where the defendants conducted their illegal operations. The defendants collected drug money in York County, Richland County, Sumter County, and Charleston County. They transported cash from across the state and stored it at 2 business properties in Sumter while they worked to hide their trail through foreign transactions. There'll be more to share in time about the nature of this offense, but I want to stress that this crime in many ways tells a story of the evolving nature of crime in a global marketplace. The defendants' actions were both local and international. They dealt in U.S. currency and Chinese currency. Their sophistication presented a challenge to law enforcement, but I'm proud to say it's a challenge we have overcome. And as they evolve, we have evolved too. I want to commend the dedicated work of DEA and our local law enforcement partners. I also want to particularly thank Assistant U.S. Attorney and Senior Litigation Counsel Everett McMillan, along with trial attorneys Mary Daly and Jasmine Fashimi from the Money Laundering and Asset Recovery section of the DOJ Criminal Division. Their meticulous work has been instrumental in bringing forth these charges. I want to thank you all for being here today.